In a small, cozy room filled with sunlight and laughter, there lived a little desk lamp named Lumo. Lumo wasn't just any lamp. He had a warm, golden glow and a tiny dent on his side that made him unique. Every night, he would light up the desk for a young boy named Aries, who loved to draw. They were a team. Whenever Aries picked up his pencil, Lumo would shine brighter, as if cheering him on. But one day, things changed. A shiny new lamp arrived. It was taller, sleeker, and had different light modes: cool white, soft yellow, even colors. Ariza's parents placed it on the desk and gently moved Lumo to a corner shelf. For the first time, Lumo wasn't needed. Nights passed. The new lamp glowed perfectly. Aries kept drawing. Everything looked the same, except Lumo sat quietly in the corner, collecting dust. He tried to shine, just a little, but no one noticed. One evening, during a storm, the power flickered. Then, darkness. The new lamp stopped working. The room went silent. Aries sighed, unable to see his drawing. That's when a soft, familiar glow appeared. Lumo. Even with his weak battery, he flickered to life, dim but steady. Ariza's eyes lit up. "Lumo," he whispered, running to him. Carefully, he placed Lumo back on the desk. That night, Aries didn't draw anything new. Instead, he looked at his old sketches, the ones made under Lumo's light. He smiled. From that day on, the new lamp stayed, but Lumo was never moved again, because Aries realized something important. Moral: new doesn't always mean better. The ones who've been there for you from the start hold a value no replacement can match.